All right, so I'm trying out this new color, and here it is again, Shine. And they sell it at Target, Walmart, apparently, and I'm trying to see, I'm loving pastels. And they have not went out of style, they've been around for quite some time, but I wanted to try out this product because I like easy. So basically you take a bowl of conditioner, this is the bowl that sort of comes in the box, and you also get some drops. And yesterday, I did this whole process. I did the drops in the conditioner, and it just took so long, and I didn't put enough drops, so I had to do it again. Creamy, something super creamy, any conditioner of your choice. Of course, you guys know what I like. My favorite, Pantene, 1 drop. And, all right, so I did this much, guys. That much, let's see. Ooh, and it's pretty potent. So I guess this is easy. So for you guys who want to be pastel and you want to do it yourself at home, this is the trick. All right, so be sure to go get your Shine, drop it, super easy, comes with some instructions, and you can see how light or dark you want it. Okay, so right here, let me show you. So see on the back, this is the amount of drops that you use. I'm gonna show you how dark you want this color. So, and you just apply it like normal. I want it to be a really pastel, super cool, dope purple. So we're gonna start here. And you just wanna make sure you saturate and take really thin sections. That's the key to it. You wanna saturate it. Like great. Alright, so just make sure you shear it out, thin it all the way out, and you're going to paint this all the way to the roots. If you want it to be even more deeper purple, then you just add more drops, okay? The deeper the purple, the more drops you take. And just make sure when you do your blondes, you use the top. You see in the bottom here, you want to make sure that you get that bottom. All right, guys, so we tried it the first way. We did it with conditioner, we painted it on, we did the whole bit, but sometimes it doesn't get true enough. So I'm going to dunk it.
Yeah.
All right, so then I did it again, and I tried to do the drops in hot water. I already put 2 drops in. I'm gonna go for a 3rd. I'm gonna stir this up, and I wanna dunk it one more time. Good. All right, here we go. Woo. And I've just let it soak in here because I just want it to be a little bit more. Didn't work, didn't stay, and didn't get vibrant enough. But I noticed that the conditioner worked. So get your favorite conditioner, take this bowl, take 3 drops, and here we go. Voila. Nice, right? So a little silvery in there and still a little iridescent with that pink. And that's what this color gave me. I like that too. So use your drops, super easy. You can pick it up at Urban Outfitters, Walmart, some foreign stores. Look online. Here you go, Shine, drop it.
I'm so pretty and you like that.